Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix slow charging issue in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G. So if you want to fix slow charging issue in your device Samsung Galaxy A33 and A33 5G, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can enable fast charging in your device.